What about if it was out here? How does it sound? How does it pick up? Check, check, check. Got that one. We got this one. We got that one. We got this one. It seems like they're both picking up well. It shows you, got a little display here, how the mic's picking up on this. But it does not give you whether or not it's DSP or low shelf. That's all in there. And then this is its charging case. These all fit down in there, including the transmitter. And you can charge this, and then this can charge these, or you can charge them all at once.